Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holder? What's going on, my friend? Anchor price will be pumping up because my brother, the holder are selling and holder are starting investing more and more. So definitely the price will increasing now. In the start of month, every coin were very badly fails down. If we check out, my friend, in those days, Shiba, XRP, Dogecoin, all coins were very badly fails down. But Anchor, one of the unique fastest cryptocurrencies to this time, price will increasing now. And I hope, my friend, in upcoming time also the 4.14%, my friend, the price is increased. So I hope in upcoming time they will get a 10% profit. And if they will just and only get a 10% profit, so my friend, the price will be hit now 0.1 USD dollar. And this is possible if a holder are starting investing holding. So otherwise, my friend, especially in those days every cryptocurrency were fell down. So everybody try to understand to please, if you are starting selling, so the Anchor will also fails down. So don't starting selling, hold it. I hope they will give you a profit, but if you want to get a profit. So see you next time, holder. Please, my opinion, my experience, I already share now. So my prediction is going 100% positive. I already predicted this coin. And my friend, second thing where my friend, which is very important, and that is, you can see, my friends, you will need to hold now. If you hold, and absolutely, my friends, hold and wait for the end of month. So I hope they will give you a profit. So see you next time, holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.